2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, xenon headlights, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.